Welcome back to Rig Tour Tuesday. Today we are going to be looking at the Grand Design Momentum, the 2013 Grand Design Momentum 397TH. So this is one of their bigger toy haulers. This is the same rig. It's the Moment that Chad and Terry used on Changing Lanes. So let's dive into it. So coming down the side, you do have an awning in the front. You have the strut-assisted MORryde step above steps. This model does have the ability to have the outdoor TV and the upgraded Rockford Fosgate system, and then your rear entry into the toy area. Also, on the Grand Designs, they are starting to come, so you do have three 7,000-pound axles with the Cree 3000 from MORryde suspension. We are at an RV show, so coming down the backside, you have your 50 amp hookup, as well as your wet bay with your Nautilus system pass-through. It does also have the auto level system. It is the hydraulic, so there are two types. You have the hydraulic and the electrical. The electrical are the ones that you pull the pin on down on the arm, which is down there, and the hydraulic is the fully, you just hit the button and it goes. All right, heading on in. So coming in directly to the kitchen, really good, nice size island. You have the Insignia residential stove, 4-burner stovetop and oven. This has the residential package, so you have the full Samsung refrigerator. This is the same one we have in our Solitude and absolutely love it. Insignia microwave. It's not a convention, but it is there. And then full pantry as well, full lit pantry as well. And then considering, I mean, they really tried, it looks like they tried to kind of put amount of storage, whoops, everywhere. More down there. So more storage down there, freezer, and then you have this great coffee bar, taco bar, whatever you will call it, but a lot more area down here. And then you have quite a bit more storage with all the drawers and cabinets. And again, more above storage. That's blocked because of the bathroom storage all the way across. Free floating dinette, so you don't knock your feet into it. Two of these chairs fold up and can be put away. So power seats, they can power recline, I'm going to say vibrate more than massage, and then also have heated. The heat does come in handy. In the 2013s, they redid this backsplash here. This tile looks really good. Full TV, and then up above, you have your command center and just more and more storage. Then coming back above the door to the toy area, you do have this, it's technically a twin loft. I know a lot of people convert it to storage. And then your toy area, so you have your typical Happy Jack system that kind of goes up and down. So you got a full bed up top, as well as this can fold down to full bed, or you can make it a dinette. On the reverse side, TV, couple of storage. This TV will drop down. And then you actually have a full bath. I mean, it's tight, don't get me wrong, but it's better than nothing. Kind of if you've got kids back here, with a little bit of towel storage and linen storage right there on the side. Coming back through the living area. So coming back through the living area, up the stairs. So you have a split here. So you have the door to the bedroom, and you have a double door. The bedroom side that I'm standing in right now, and the hallway access to your bathroom. Again, I mean, it's tighter, but at the same time, because the toilet's on an angle, no problems there. I'm a big guy, and that should work for me. Storage under the sink, medicine cabinets, the full shower setup. Grand Design with the Encore, you actually step down, and then you also have a teak seat. Coming to the bedroom, you have the RV king size mattress on the slider, and then this is the new closet setup. So the center is going to be your stackable washer dryer, as well as individual closets and drawers either side. And then this is pretty standard. You have your TV above the window there, followed by your height of storage underneath that cabinet, as well as 3 drawers. So in the Momentums, you have the LCI one-touch system that controls all of your tank levels, lights, awnings, slide-in, slide-outs, all of that good stuff. So overall, this is a great floor plan. Hope you enjoyed this. We are doing these rig tours, trying to do them a little more regularly. We're currently at the 2022 Southwest RV Show, busting out a lot of these tours. Big thanks to McLean's RV and our direct contact there. Hunter, if you're interested in purchasing this rig, we will put Hunter's contact information down below. Just make sure and let him know we sent you over. He'll have a little prize pack from us to give you if you end up purchasing this rig, kind of a little starter pack. Other than that, it's a great rig. If you are interested in highlighting your rig on our videos, make sure and shoot us an email at info@millersinmotion.com. While we love to see brand new rigs, it's also fun to see how everybody customizes them and lives them or camps in them. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next Tuesday. Bye, Mom.